technology connected, and that EMAG is doing worldwide. It was just 2 weeks before when I was there at Grinding Hub at Messe Stuttgart, Germany. I was able to come out with a special story on the innovation what EMAG is doing, and we are also collaborating with them for the AMB show, which is going to happen in September in Germany. Here at INTEC 2024, you can see, because Coimbatore is a market which is growing very fast. A lot of automotive industry, a lot of defense sector, new industries are coming, and nearby places. When you are having a challenge in bringing out certain components, EMAG is the answer. And to find out more, we are having with us Chackravarthi, who is heading South Indian market of EMAG, to tell us what EMAG can provide solution for all of you.
Thank you, Hari, for being part of this INTEC 2024 show with us. And now I would be taking through our core business about EMAG and also why we are there in INTEC Coimbatore, this particular exhibition. So main focus is to have reach to our end customers in Coimbatore, to reach to a job shop level, who are the actual users of this high precision machines. Now, I would say that you can also connect with us through various social medias here, through Facebook, for example, or YouTube or Instagram. And we can also take you through each of our applications and what are the parts we have with us. So let's start with the machine. It's a kind of a demo, we can say. This is our machine, VL2 model, it looks like. And we have displayed how it actually works in pickup turning machines. And now let's also move forward to the parts what we have. The first technology what we have here is pickup turning machines. We have turning, shaft turning, then we have a CV joint, hard milling process, horizontal and also vertical concept, hobbing. Then gear finishing, that's gear grinding, OD grinding, then profile grinding, then electrochemical finishing process, and then finally we have now laser cladding process, you would say, that is specifically targeted towards brake disc process components.
It was really insightful, and I'm very happy to see that the kind of solutions what you are bringing in can really transform the manufacturing industries. And I'm sure you are all going to get in touch with Mr. Chackravarthi or anyone from EMAG to find how this solution can help you. Thank you very much.